Welcome to our journey through Wazirabad, a city rich in history, culture and natural beauty. Now, you might be thinking, Wazirabad, where in the world is Wazirabad? And that's fair, it's not exactly on everyone's travel bucket list yet, but trust me, this hidden gem of Pakistan is about to blow your mind. We're talking ancient history, vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and let's not forget the craftsmanship. These people know how to make things, my friends, so buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into what makes Wazirabad so special. Get ready to add a new pin to your mental map, because after this, you're going to want to see Wazirabad for yourselves. Every city has a story, but Wazirabad, this place has seen it all. We're talking centuries of history, folks. It all started back in the Mughal era. Picture this. Wazir Khan, a big shot in the Mughal Empire, decides to build a city, and boom, Wazirabad is born. But this wasn't just some vanity project, no sir. This city was strategically located right in the thick of things. Over the years, everyone from invaders to emperors fought tooth and nail to control it. And you can still see the echoes of those empires today. Mughal architecture standing shoulder to shoulder with Sikh influences. It's a history buff's dream come true. But Wazirabad isn't stuck in the past. Oh no, this city is very much alive and kicking. It's taken all that history and blended it with a modern, vibrant culture that's impossible to resist. Speaking of culture, let's talk about the people, because in Wazirabad, the people are the heart and soul of the city. Now, if there's one thing you need to know about the people of Wazirabad, it's this. They know how to welcome you. Hospitality isn't just a word here, it's a way of life. And that warmth shines through in everything they do. From the vibrant Punjabi music that'll get your toes tapping, to the art that'll make your jaw drop, to the food, oh the food. We're talking culinary masterpieces passed down through generations. Spicy, savory, sweet. Wazirabad's got it all. And the best part, they're always happy to share. But it's not just about the food, the music, the art. It's about the sense of community. Wazirabad is a city that celebrates together. Festivals and celebrations are a way of life here, and everyone's invited to the party. So we've talked history, we've talked culture, but what about the scenery? Don't worry, Wazirabad's got you covered there too. Get ready to be amazed, because Wazirabad is surrounded by some of the most breathtaking natural beauty you'll ever see. Nestled in the heart of Pakistan, this city is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From the moment you set foot here, you'll be captivated by its serene landscapes and vibrant life. Imagine this, lush green fields stretching as far as the eye can see, bursting with life. These fields are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the fertility of the land. The rich soil and favorable climate make it a perfect place for agriculture, supporting a variety of crops that sustain the local community. Orchards overflowing with fruits so fresh you won't believe your taste buds. Apples, oranges, mangoes and more, all thriving in this lush environment. The orchards are a sight to behold, with trees laden with fruits that promise a burst of flavor with every bite. And all of it crisscrossed by a network of canals like veins carrying lifeblood through the land. These canals are essential for irrigation, ensuring that every inch of farmland gets the water it needs. They also add to the scenic beauty, creating a picturesque landscape that is both functional and beautiful. But the real showstopper, the mighty Chenab River. This river is not just a body of water, it's the heart and soul of Wazirabad. It has shaped the land and the lives of the people who live here. This isn't just any river, folks. The Chenab is a force of nature, a majestic waterway that commands respect and admiration. Its waters are a source of life, providing for the needs of both people and wildlife. This is a force of nature, flowing with a power and grace that is awe-inspiring. The Chenab River is a sight to behold. Its currents are strong, yet it brings a sense of peace and tranquility to the region. Flowing through the heart of Wazirabad, it's a source of life, of tranquility, of pure, unadulterated beauty. The riverbanks are perfect for a peaceful stroll, offering a chance to connect with nature and find solace in its beauty. And during monsoon season, forget about it. The river swells up, transforming the landscape into a scene straight out of a movie. The power of the water is both thrilling and humbling, reminding us of nature's incredible force. The river swells up, transforming the landscape into a scene straight out of a movie. The lush greenery becomes even more vibrant, and the air is filled with the fresh scent of rain and earth. Trust me, you haven't lived until you've seen the Chenab in all its glory. It's an experience that stays with you, a memory that you'll cherish forever. But Wazirabad isn't just about pretty landscapes. This city has a rich cultural heritage and a vibrant community that adds to its charm. This city's got a practical side too. The people here are hardworking and dedicated, with a deep connection to the land. They take pride in their work, whether it's farming, crafting or any other trade. A side that's all about hard work, dedication and let's be honest, some serious talent. The locals are skilled in various crafts and trades, contributing to the city's economy and cultural richness. Their efforts ensure that Wazirabad remains a thriving, vibrant place to live and visit. Now, when you hear the words world-class craftsmanship, you might think of Switzerland, Italy, maybe even Japan. But hold on a second, because Wazirabad is about to join that list. See, Wazirabad has a secret weapon, its people. For generations, they've been honing their skills, passing down knowledge from master to apprentice. And what's the result? Some of the finest cutlery you'll ever lay your eyes on. We're talking knives so sharp they could split a hair, scissors that glide through fabric like butter. Each piece crafted with precision, with care, with a level of detail that's almost unbelievable. And the best part, this isn't some mass-produced, factory-made stuff. No, sir, this is the real deal, made by hand, with love in the heart of Wazirabad. So next time you need a good knife, you know where to go, just say it. But Wazirabad's appeal goes beyond its craftsmanship. It's also incredibly well connected. You know what they say, location, location, location. And let me tell you, Wazirabad's got it in spades. We're talking prime real estate here, folks. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, Wazirabad is like the popular kid in school that everyone wants to be friends with. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Lahore, the bustling capital of Punjab, and a stone's throw from Gujranwala, another major city. It's like having the best of both worlds right at your fingertips. This strategic location has made Wazirabad a hub for trade and commerce, but it's also meant that the city has been influenced by a melting pot of cultures and traditions. And that, my friends, is what makes Wazirabad so unique. It's a city that's both familiar and exotic, a place where you can experience the best of Pakistan all in one place. But enough about location, let's talk weather, shall we? All right, let's talk about the weather in Wazirabad. This city, nestled in the heart of the country, experiences a fascinating array of weather patterns throughout the year. From the scorching heat of summer to the gentle chill of winter, Wazirabad's climate is as diverse as its culture. Because, let's be real, nobody wants to be caught in a monsoon downpour without an umbrella. The monsoon season here is no joke, and it can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. Wazirabad has what you call a continental climate. This means that the city experiences significant temperature variations between seasons, making it a place of extremes. What does that mean? Well, it means you're going to get the full 4 seasons experience, folks. Summers, oh, they're hot, like really hot. The kind of heat that makes you want to stay indoors with the air conditioning on full blast. We're talking temperatures soaring past 40 degrees Celsius. That's the kind of heat that can make the pavement sizzle and turn a simple walk into a sweaty ordeal. That's like 104 degrees Fahrenheit. For you Americans out there, it's the kind of heat that makes you appreciate every bit of shade you can find. So pack your sunscreen, your hats, and maybe even a portable fan. Trust me, you'll need all the help you can get to stay cool. But don't worry, it's not all sweat and sunshine. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the summer if you know where to look. From shaded parks to cool cafes, Wazirabad has its own ways of beating the heat. Winters in Wazirabad are mild and pleasant. Unlike the harsh winters of some other regions, Wazirabad's winter is more like a gentle embrace, offering a welcome respite from the summer heat. Think cozy sweaters, warm cups of chai, and temperatures hovering around a comfortable 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect weather for outdoor activities and enjoying the city's vibrant street life. And then there's monsoon season. Monsoon season. It's a time when the city transforms and the air is filled with the earthy scent of rain. From July to September, the heavens open up and unleash a torrent of rain. The streets can flood and the sound of raindrops becomes a constant companion. It's a sight to behold, but make sure you've got your rain boots handy. Navigating the city during this time can be a bit of a challenge, but it's all part of the experience. But hey, all that rain is what keeps Wazirabad's landscape so lush and green. The monsoon breathes life into the city, turning it into a verdant paradise, so it's a fair trade-off, right? The weather in Wazirabad is a journey through the seasons, each with its own unique charm and challenges. Whether you're basking in the summer sun, enjoying a cozy winter day, or dancing in the monsoon rain, Wazirabad has something special to offer all year round. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wazirabad sounds amazing and all, but what is there to actually do there? Well, let me take you on a journey through this hidden gem. From the moment you set foot in Wazirabad, you'll be captivated by its charm and beauty. The town is a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural wonders. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Wazirabad is a hidden gem just waiting to be explored. Imagine wandering through scenic countrysides, discovering hidden gems that few have laid eyes on, and uncovering locations that are off the beaten path. Sure, it's known for its industry and agriculture. The bustling industrial areas and vast agricultural fields are a testament to the hard-working spirit of its people. But there's so much more to Wazirabad than meets the eye. Beyond the factories and fields lies a world of adventure. Remember the Chenab River? This majestic river is the lifeblood of the region, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Well, it's not just for looking at. The Chenab River is a playground for water enthusiasts. Whether you're into boating, fishing, or simply enjoying the water's reflections, there's something for everyone. Hop on a boat and experience its beauty up close. Feel the gentle breeze on your face as you glide through the water, taking in the stunning scenery that surrounds you. Cast a line and try your luck at fishing. The river is teeming with fish, making it a perfect spot for both seasoned anglers and beginners alike. Or just find a peaceful spot on the riverbank and soak in the tranquility. The calm waters and lush greenery create a serene environment that's perfect for relaxation and reflection. And for those of you who like to venture off the beaten path, Wazirabad is surrounded by charming towns and villages just begging to be explored. Each village has its own unique character and stories to tell. Experience the true meaning of rural Pakistan, where life moves at a slower pace and hospitality knows no bounds. The locals are warm and welcoming, always ready to share a cup of tea and a story. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for a unique travel experience, Wazirabad has something for everyone. From historical sites that tell tales of the past to natural attractions that showcase the region's beauty, Wazirabad is your gateway to adventure. So there you have it, Wazirabad, Pakistan's hidden gem. We've explored its rich history, its vibrant culture, its stunning landscapes, and its world-class craftsmanship. We've met the warm and welcoming people, tasted the delicious food, and felt the energy of this incredible city. Wazirabad is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a reminder that there's still so much of the world left to discover, so many hidden gems just waiting to be unearthed. So what are you waiting for? Add Wazirabad to your travel bucket list and start planning your adventure today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Wazirabad. We hope you enjoyed discovering this hidden gem of Pakistan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys.